Gorgeous day. And you know what? It translates directly to a really awesome evening, too. Here's a look as we are overlooking the capital city. Ample sunshine's going on out there. Sunset, by the way, is in about 2 hours' time. 8:16, by the way, is that exact time. Our current temperatures are ranging from the 70s in areas that have a direct coastal influence, like New Bedford. 78 degrees. We have 76 in Newport, 79 right now for Westerly, and 76 out on the block. Otherwise, we're pretty close to 80 as we go to the interior. Our dew points are also in the 60s. Usually when we see 60 or higher, it's an indication that it is muggy, but our dew points are so low compared to where they were lately that it feels downright refreshing across southern New England. What you may be interested to know is that we're expecting our dew points to crash. As we go past Sunday, we're expecting dew points to drop not only into the 50s, but even into the 40s on Tuesday. It is going to be very, very dry, and temperatures are going to be cool and comfy in the upper 70s. Just a really nice break in at least all the heat and humidity that we've had to deal with around here lately. We do have some air moving in from the southwest. This is in advance of a front that's going to be coming through as we go to tomorrow. And we are looking at occasional wind gusts that have been meeting or exceeding 20 miles per hour, mainly in coastal areas. So what do we have? Well, off to our west, we've got a warm front, and it will be followed by a cold front. So the warm front comes through first. That one's coming through in the morning, and it may be rather noisy when it does. And then the cold front follows in the second half of the day, and that means not one but 2 rounds of storms are possible for tomorrow. We are looking at, again, very dry conditions midweek as those dew points drop into the 40s for Tuesday. But the heat and humidity that we've gotten to know fairly recently does return. It will be here on Friday with highs near 90 and dew points that will be well into the 70s. Now, our futurecast shows that we have the clouds that will be rolling in tonight. So increasing clouds is your official forecast for tonight. There's a slight chance of showers after 2 a.m. But once we get into the meat of the morning, that's when we're expecting not only showers, but the chance of thunderstorms. Now, our models were bringing in the heavy stuff right along the coast yesterday, but now we're starting to see a general consensus to our south. Still a chance of showers and thunderstorms locally, and the coast is expected to see the height, or rather worst of it, for the morning. Then we get the second round moving through with that cold front once we get into the evening, and again, that's a chance of showers and thunderstorms too, but models aren't really hyping up the second round. It's the first round that we're going to be more concerned about. Monday, by the way, restored to sunny, and that's going to kick off a really fabulous looking week ahead. Our best chance of rain is in fact going to be tomorrow, but Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and even Thursday is looking to be a pretty good one too, with a chance of showers holding off till late in the day. Down into the tropics we go. We've got a new area of low pressure that we're watching for a 20% chance of tropical cyclone formation in the next 7 days. And we still haven't had Dexter. That still is the next name that would pop up on the list should that indeed come to fruition and we get our next tropical system. So for tonight, increasing clouds. Your overnight low will hold in the upper 60s. Going to tomorrow, we're going to do morning showers and thunderstorms. That's going to be our heftier round. Then we go to mostly sunny. Temperatures warm to 84, and it's going to be muggy. And then we bring the clouds back in, and then we're going to be bringing in round 2 as we hit the evening hours right on into the night. So again, not 1 but 2 rounds of showers, but right in the middle, it's not going to be too bad. So if you do have plans midday Sunday, I wouldn't cancel them. Just keep an eye to the sky for sure. So we've made it a storm tracker alert day because coastal areas could feel a punch from this one. Any thunderstorms we see could bring rounds of really heavy rain as well as the potential of damaging winds. So that's why indeed we have hoisted the alert for your Sunday.